how to use a Sephora gift card online or how to redeem a Sephora gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Masnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or redeem a Sephora gift card online. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, once on Sephora, what you want to do is you want to select an item that you wish to purchase and that you wish to check out, and you want to head into the checkout page. In my case, I've added an item to my cart, as you can see, to my basket. Now what you can do is you can simply tap on checkout. Now once you select the item that you wish to check out, now it'll ask you to enter in your shipping address and such, and down below you can see you'll get the option payment method. Now it's asking me to enter in my information here first, but I'll just be showing you, so I won't be updating it. Beside payment method option, you'll find the edit option, right? You can see here on the screen, simply tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you'll be able to see the payment method option, and down below you can see add gift card option there on the screen. You want to simply tap on it, and then you want to enter in your gift card number, the pin number, and then tap on apply, and it'll get applied. And while you make the purchase, you'll be able to use the gift card. So this way you can use a Sephora gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.